Welcome back to Eating the African Way. My name is Nicholas. So today we're going to do fish recipe. We're going to make together fish stew, and we're going to share a simple recipe you can use. This is so easy. Just follow the steps and we will come up with the same result. Let's get into the video. Alright, I know some of you are going to be surprised. This is the first time I'm going to use a chalkboard. Just now I'm learning. Let me share quickly the ingredients we're going to use. We're going to use onion. We have one green pepper, as you can see. We have 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 carrot. Spring onions, they are just, you can use 2 pieces or 3 pieces, depends on what you want. And also have cornmeal. Sometimes it depends on what you want. We're also going to use a black pepper and curry powder. You can use any curry powder you want. It depends on the environment, where you are. I'm not going to mention the curry because we have so many on the market and they did not pay for the ad. And of course, salt. Avocado, I won't mention it. I always mention it in the videos. So let's go into this. Woo! The way I'm struggling to use the chopping board and the knife. But I think with time I'll be learning. Next time I'll do better. I'll get more classes. So as you're watching this video, you can rate my chalkboard skills. If I rate myself, I'll be not even 1. Onions are done. I'm learning the skills. Woohoo! Okay. For the ladies who are watching this channel, or anyone who is watching this channel, the ingredients we are sharing are the only ingredients we use in the video or when we are cooking. There are no others which are going to add in behind the camera. So if you try out, you're going to come out with the same test, with the same result. And for men, this is homework for you. Do the assignment. What didn't you understand or what didn't you see through the preparations? You can tell us in the comment section. When we're not mentioning the ingredients we are using, there are those ones which are the curry powder, the cooking oil. You know, people have to make adverts. They have to pay for these adverts. If someone doesn't come on board, I didn't see the reason why I should mention their names. But we are open for adverts for people who would want to advertise with us. Just reach out to us. Always we will put our number in the comment section or even the email. You can reach out to us anytime you want. I know there are some ingredients we have here which you don't have. You can also tell us how you would like to cook or to make your fish stew from that side. So as you know, when it comes to measurements, Ugandans use their eyes. Let me say Africans use their eyes to measure. Woohoo! So our ingredients are getting ready. So right now I'm adding in black pepper. You can share the recipe you would use or the ingredients you would use to prepare the same fish, the same stew. You're always open for more ideas. We're here to learn from you and even from this side. Right now I'm going to add in the curry powder. As I told you, you can add in any curry powder you want, your favorite, or you would want to experience something new. You keep changing until you find what you would want to use for the rest of your life. I think it is the right time to bring in our main ingredient, the fish.
I'm proud of Africa.
The fish. Everything is perfect. Thank you so much for keeping yourself on eating the African way. We're going to give this 15 minutes and then we'll be eating. Thank you so much for being patient from the start to the end. Please don't go anywhere. Get a cup of tea and wait for this. We're going to eat together. We're going to share this together. We're going to invite Moana. This is our home. So she's going to give the review. I'm going to put her link in the comment section, in the description section, not comment section. To give us a review, and also check out her channel and subscribe to her channel, leave a comment. Yeah, we share love.
Greetings.
So as you know, you can't cook stew alone or sauce alone. Of course, you have to cook food. And we are going to share some of the Ugandan foods you can cook along with fish stew. So we have, I was going to call them Irish potatoes. We have sweet potatoes. We are going to cook rice. And what else? I think those are two foods we're going to cook. And our greens. Please keep watching. Don't go anywhere until the end of this video.
Is within us. Bold. Strong.
Okay.
Rich. United. Blessed and loved by God. This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA of Africa flows in every.
So you're going to cook our food in the same saucepan as you're going to watch.
Glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
I'm sure you have seen this on the channel, how we steam our greens. Some of you always ask the question, why Ugandans cook their food in banana leaf. I think this is tradition. As you know, traditions everywhere you go, they have their ways of cooking. We are adding in onions to flavor it up, our rice up, but the shallots will do good work. In our recent video, someone told us those small onions are called shallots.
National parks, waterfalls, islands. Wait a minute. Food. A minute. Food.
You have seen how this ghee is made and how it is preserved.
Sukali ndizi. Ebinyebwa. Ebyenyanja tulya. Eshabwe. Malekwang.
Right.
So blessed with a variety of food. In Cameroon, there is a kwang, achu soup, sesa plantations, Accra banana, jollof rice, kati kati cheese.
As you're watching this video, you can tell us which other video you want to see next. Today we have done fish stew. Anything you want to learn, we are here for you. Just drop in the request. And thank you so much for being on Eating the African Way. Please, as you're watching this video, leave a comment. Tell us if you have done something wrong. Next time we will always do it better. Or something you do not understand, we are always here to make that right.
Bread made from the flour, from the starchy root of the cassava plant. Okra stew. Stew made from the vegetable, often referred to as lettuce fingers. Oh, how I love Africa, a beautiful continent. A lot of food, to mention but a few. Ugali, sukuma wiki, fufu, fry stew, agidi, and a lot more.
The spirit of Africa is within us. Bold, strong, rich, united, blessed and loved by God. This is us. This is who and what we are. Oh, set me down in Africa. The DNA of Africa flows in every fiber of our being. The glory and light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
Thank you so much for being patient with us. This is the final, or is the end, my favorite part when I'm doing these videos. After sharing the recipe, of course we have to eat. You already know this other person.
No, don't.
That's what you said in your video.
Yes,
It was a revenge. After 2 years, I was waiting for the right time.
Yes,
You already know this
know
other
me.
person. I'm going to drop her link in the description box if you want to know what she does best. She does recipe, travel, let me say lifestyle. So she's called It's Moana. Using a fork. Yeah. Okay. Wash your hands. Yeah, nabi. Nange na nabi.
Kama mbele zako. I'm a professional destroyer. Dear Chitwe, expression. I enjoy fish head. And I can eat fish head with a fork without eating any bone. The Monday.
When I make these videos, I think about those people in diaspora. Because you take long without eating our local food, the Ugandan food. And I know whenever you see them, those memories come back. If this is your first time here and you're in the diaspora, share some stories with us. So the young one is complaining. I think I should test everything and close this video. And we see what happens next. You can tell us what you want to see next in other videos. Also, you can come and join us. We have enough food. Woo! Hope you can see my plate. All right. Thank you so much for keeping yourself and eating African way. This is the end. Catch up in the next video. Catch up in the next video. Bye bye.